Hi everybody, my name is David Brennan with Safety Evolution. Today I want to chat with you about who's really responsible for safety on the job site. So one of the common misconceptions that we have in industry is that the safety person is going to keep everybody safe and that the supervisors are responsible for production. So this sets us up because it gives us a great opportunity to be able to change the way that our supervisors understand safety and get them bought in so that they're the ones that are driving safety on our job sites. When I worked in oil and gas, came up against this a lot. One of the acronyms that always sticks out to me is the safety department being called the DPP, or Department of Production Prevention. And when you come up against this mentality that safety is only there to slow down the job, it can be really difficult to overcome. So I built a bit of a framework for us to be able to implement this so that we can change the way that our supervisors see their roles in the company. So the first thing you're going to do is want to learn, then you're going to want to teach, and then support them. So what does learn mean? Learn means to start talking to your supervisors about safety and asking them questions. And the goal here is for you to dig into what they actually know, what their perceptions are, what they think their roles and responsibilities are, how they see themselves in the safety program. Once you get this information, then you can begin to teach them things like the company rules, what their actual responsibilities are. You can teach them the legislation or local law around health and safety. So the last thing that you want to do is teach them to become safety leaders. One of the biggest myths that we have out there, I mentioned it a little bit earlier in this video, is that safety is going to slow down production. So we know that a strong safety program actually will speed up production because it's going to help you plan the jobs better. It's going to help you have better quality of work. Your team's going to be happier to work. And in the end, you're going to come out way ahead. So let's talk about support. Support is an ongoing process that you need to practice as a safety professional. So when we talk about supporting our supervisors, we're looking at being involved into their day-to-day operations, making sure that you understand what's coming at them, where they can get safety help from you, where you can make sure that you're ahead of the game. So if you know they have something like safety meetings coming, that you're coaching them and giving them content, anything like that, you need to be available for. Also think about if you've got projects coming or a new piece of equipment, that you have legislation, that you're being active and prepared for them as well. We want them to be successful, and we want them to be able to do their job the best they can. And we want them to not feel like safety is a massive weight around their shoulders. Just to recap this, you want to learn, teach, and support your supervisors so they can better understand their responsibility in the safety program and how to get the most out of their team. So if you want to get a tool to help you with this, download the personal safety involvement, teach it to your supervisors. We have a lot of other resources. Jump on our newsletter and you can subscribe and get these directly into your inbox so that you can start using these systems and tools to get a better outcome at your company. Have a great day.